been trading and feel like the market is always ahead of you? Don't worry, because you're not alone. Every single day, the market does the same thing. It gets manipulated. It becomes overvalued or undervalued. And most beginners never notice it. Today, I'm going to show you one setup that happens every single day using an indicator called CCI. You will learn how to spot when the market is ready to reverse before anybody else does. Quick intro. Hi, I'm Liz. I trade every single day. I study markets. I make mistakes. I lose money, and I learn the hard way. And again, if you think this is a click here and get rich video, you're gonna have a bad time. Let's get one thing straight. There isn't one setup that works 100% of the time. And anyone who promises you that is lying. What I'm about to show you didn't make me profitable on its own, but understanding the markets did. This setup is really simple. It highlights overbought and oversold zones. That's it. Beginners can use it to start understanding the markets, but it's not a magic trick. Again, this is not financial advice. This is not a signal. This is called framework. It's your first step to start seeing the market like a pro. Got it? Cool. Let's go. I use pocket option because it's easy and really beginner friendly. You can choose a time frame from 30 seconds to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. That's how long your trade will last. You can see your payout before you even enter the trade. For example, if I invest $100, I will instantly get $192 profit. Transparency really matters. Focus on logic, not luck. Link is in the description, plus 60% bonus on your deposit if you enter. If you start with $500, you will get $300 instantly. If that sounds like a good deal, you should click the link in the description. The setup is really simple. CCI indicator. That's it. CCI measures whether the market is oversold or overbought. Every single day, the market moves in cycles. It gets pushed too high, overbought, or too low, oversold. And that is when high probability reversals happen. Here's the important part. Beginners make a huge mistake thinking that when CCI hits plus 100, they should sell immediately, or minus 100, that they should buy immediately. Stop. Watch how these prices react to these zones. That's your signal, not a blind order. And most importantly, you can modify the indicator to take less risky trades. For example, I like to trade with CCI at 200 and minus 200. CCI is your map, but reading the market behavior is your destination. If you misread it, your account will disappear. Quick question. Have you ever entered a trade because an indicator has reached a certain level? If so, I would love for you to comment down below so that I can read your comment. And now, live examples of the setup. First example. Price approaches an overbought CCI zone. Candle starts showing exhaustion. Observe, wait, and enter down. Example number 2. If the price approaches an oversold CCI, the candle will form a rejection and then you have to observe. You wait for a proper entry and enter up. Perfect. The market respected the oversold zone. The key is that I'm not trying to predict miracles. I'm reading the market behavior around these zones. Like I said, CCI is a map, not the destination. Before we discuss the biggest trap, I have a surprise. When you register with my pocket option link, you also get free access to my VIP Telegram group. I share daily signals, explain setups like these, and provide step-by-step guidance for my members. You can literally copy setups and learn while trading. Link is in the description. Learn, observe, and join. So the biggest beginner trap. Here's the mistake that affects most beginners using the setup. You see a few winning trades in overbought or oversold zones. The ego flares. You increase size to make faster money. Boom, account suffers, and the panic sets in. The same goes for blindly following indicators without understanding the context of the market. Respect your zones, manage your money, and stay patient. Like I always say, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. This daily setup isn't magic. It's observation, it's patience, and knowing how to read the market in overbought or oversold zones. If you want more beginner-friendly setups explained live, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. My pocket option and Telegram links are all in the description down below, so make sure to check it out. Most beginners chase indicators. Real traders read the markets. It's your time to choose. Good traders master the markets, but great traders master themselves.